Dear students and job aspirants, how are you all?
Have you completed your degree or MBA in finance?
Do you want a job in best MNC companies across India?
Are you looking for jobs in MNCs specially related to commerce and finance?
You don't have enough money to spend lakhs of rupees for coaching and training?
Here is one-stop solution for all your job problems. inSAKE Academy.
inSAKE Academy is a premier institute for training and all the courses taught by industrial experts.
For the first time ever, we are launching a free job certification program to all the students who are willing for a job.
Yes, that is inSAKE Financial Analyst Master Certification Program. There is no need to spend lakhs of rupees for coaching and training. We will not take a single penny from you at start. You need to pay course fee once you get the job.
Initially, we take only nominal charges for sake of committed students.
This is a wonderful opportunity for the students who need guidance and are desperate to get a job. Register immediately. We have very limited seats.
For more details, visit insake.in.